Have you ever wanted a professional 3D portfolio website but thought it would take hours of coding? Well, today I'll show you how to create one in less than 5 minutes using AI. First, open the command prompt. You can do this by searching for CMD in the Windows search bar and opening it. Now, we need to install the AI tool that will build our website. Run the installation command and wait for about 1 to 2 minutes until all packages are installed. Once the installation is complete, run the second command to verify that OpenCode AI is installed correctly and check its version. Perfect. Now create a new folder and give it any name you like. Open that folder, click on the address bar at the top, type CMD and press enter. A command prompt window will open directly inside your selected folder. You can confirm this by checking that your folder path is displayed in the terminal. Next, type OpenCode and press enter. The OpenCode AI interface will launch. Now comes the easiest part. Simply describe the website you want to build. For example, I'll type, create a modern 3D portfolio website with a stylish color theme, smooth animations, and a professional design. Press enter and that's it. OpenCode AI will start generating your entire website automatically. Within 1 to 2 minutes, your complete project will be ready. Once the generation is finished, go back to your folder. You'll notice that the folder is no longer empty. All the website files have been created automatically. Finally, open the index.html file in your browser. And there you have it, a fully functional 3D portfolio website created with AI in just a few minutes. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more AI and web development tips.